It's a pleasure to be amongst you on World Pest Day, sharing my thoughts and opinions on role of pest control industry in ensuring that India is a cleaner and a hygienic place. Pest control definitely plays a pivotal role in ensuring that there is less number of pests in the country, and also ensuring that there is less contamination of food by pests.
My dear friends, it's a privilege for me to share my thoughts on this World Pest Day. On the role of pest control industry in maintaining clean and hygiene. Clean and hygiene is incomplete without pest control. By cleaning, you may remove the pathogens, but pests can carry pathogens again and contaminate. Also, the image and reputation of a client will be at a loss if any pests are visible to the customers.
I, K. Venkateswara, General Secretary of Pest Management Association, would like to share my opinion. Strictly following green pest management practices can help in maintaining clean and hygienic India.
My opinion on the role of pest control is that we protect lives, work and living space, our homes.
To the most important aspect of pest control, if you ask me, and I think most of you would agree with me, that it is trained manpower who has got an ability to listen, understand the pain point of a customer, and the ability to resolve the problem quickly.
One of the most important aspects of pest control industry is the requirement of continuous updation of our knowledge on pests and pesticides.
More new molecules with a safe residual action are required.
To provide sustainable, dependable services with safe products having environmentally low impact.
To the wish list for the industry, I would definitely say and be happy if the government basically recognizes us as a separate industry, and the huge employment potential that we offer as an industry is something that the government should take advantage of.
One wish for our industry is for government recognition and support besides bringing our industry under Department of Health.
COVID-19 has sensitized our clients and this should help them realize the importance of PCOs.
To be accepted by the people as professionals who know what they are doing because we were trained for it. Public awareness can help us get there.
To the message to my fellow PCOs on World Pest Day, we are lucky to be part of an industry that recognizes us as an entrepreneur, and also take pride in the fact that we contribute to society by reducing food wastage by pest contamination, and ensuring that there is more food on the plates of millions across the globe.
On the occasion of World Pest Day, I would like to give a message to our fellow PMPs is to provide complete safety to our employees during the current times of COVID-19.
Our message to fellow PCOs on World Pest Day is to respect biodiversity.
We have a golden opportunity this time to showcase how dependable services, when executed the right way, can create a better, safer living space. I think we should do it right this time.
What keeps me motivated after so many years in the pest control industry, apart from the financial rewards that basically comes across being in this industry, I think as a pest controller, the biggest challenge and the thrill is to solve a customer's problem. No 2 days, I believe, for a pest controller is the same, because he meets new customers, he sees new places, comes across new challenges. As a leader, he basically motivates his team, and this is a thrill as an industry that I would like to live again and again.
What keeps me motivating in this profession is the sense of satisfaction, seeing the faith the customers have in us, solving a highly challenging pest issue, besides the major source of income.
Every day new issues crops up and resolving them gives me immense satisfaction, which keeps me going.
The one thing which motivates us is lives of people. being there in different segments of pest control, getting a forward momentum in how we do things, that's what motivates us, that's what keeps us going.
Hello everyone, I hope all are safe and following the social distancing guidelines when you are moving out. COVID-19 has really changed the way we are living our lives, but one very positive aspect of that is the emphasis on health and hygiene. On this World Pest Day, I am really confident that pest control services is going to really play a pivotal role in maintaining the health and hygiene of our community. We at Bayer are really committed to our public health heroes, our pest control operators. We are working on 4 pillars. The number 1 is on the solutions. We have solutions for most of the pest control issues. Number 2 is on the sustainability. If you see, most of our products are odorless, need only lesser dosage, and most importantly has very minimal effect on environment. The third part is really on partnership. We are really working on newer partnership to strengthen our resolve to fight this pest. And the fourth and very important part is the knowledge sharing. If you see, during this COVID-19 lockdown, more than 20 webinars we conducted and more than 2,500 pest control operators got benefited. Our mission, my dear friends, is health for all and hunger for none. This is Bayer vision. On this World Pest Day, myself and my team, we pledge that we are going to work stronger with our public health officers and foster an environment where we can live, work and play. Thank you.
Definitely promise to take a pledge today to ensure that on World Pest Day that we ensure that there is less amount of food wasted because of pests, there is less contamination, and also to ensuring that we live in a pest-free world going ahead. And thank you, Bayer, for the opportunity, and thank you all for tuning in and for listening me in.
On this World Pest Day, I pledge to work hard to create more awareness among public about our industry and to promote utmost safety of all our employees and customers in this period of COVID-19.
I pledge to protect building structures. Thank you.
I pledge to keep families safe from pests.